Today, I'm diving into an incredible story that's got the tech world buzzing. Imagine creating a device that promises free energy for all. Sounds like a dream, right? But for one man, this dream turned into a nightmare. Meet John Daniels, a brilliant inventor with a vision to change the world. John claimed he had cracked the code to limitless free energy. His invention? A machine that could potentially provide endless power without any fuel. The tech community was skeptical but intrigued. Could this be the breakthrough we've all been waiting for? But instead of fame and fortune, John found himself in handcuffs. You see, free energy is a controversial topic. Governments and big energy companies don't exactly welcome it with open arms. They argue it defies the laws of physics, threatens economic stability, and could disrupt the entire energy market. John was arrested and charged with fraud and public endangerment. The authorities claimed his device was a scam, a danger to public safety, and an attempt to destabilize the economy. His supporters, however, cried foul. They saw him as a visionary being silenced by the powers that be. During the trial, experts were brought in to debunk John's device. They argued it was scientifically impossible. John, however, stood by his invention. He insisted it worked and that he was being persecuted for challenging the status quo. In the end, John was sentenced to 5 years in prison. His device was confiscated, and his research was sealed. But the debate rages on. Was John a fraud or a genius ahead of his time? Is free energy a pipe dream or a suppressed reality? This story raises important questions about innovation, control, and the future of energy. Could there be others like John out there with groundbreaking ideas waiting to be discovered? And what does this mean for the future of our planet? Stay curious, tech enthusiasts. Who knows what other incredible and perhaps controversial innovations lie just around the corner? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing tech tales. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.